Hey, today I want to show you all how I make a very powerful spice mixture. This is good for a lot of things. It has anti-cancer properties, and also it's good for heart health. And what I have in here is put together, and I'll write this down in the description box, 4 tablespoons of granulated garlic. Suppose you could use garlic powder as well. And 8 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger, that's the powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And what the black pepper does is it helps your body absorb the turmeric, because in general your body doesn't do a good job of absorbing turmeric unless it contains a little bit of black pepper with it. And also I added a teaspoon of cayenne. Garlic is great for your heart as well as other things, and turmeric has some pain relieving properties in it. Ginger is good for digestion as well as some other things, and cayenne helps promote healthy blood circulation. So this is a great mixture, and it tastes really good. It goes well with a number of different things. I've put it on eggs. It goes great with pasta, beans and rice, and there's a number of other things. It would go great in like a stew or soups, certain soups. It goes well with. It's just a great spice to have on hand. Now we're going to mix this up here. Turmeric, and your turmeric, when you buy it, it should have this bright kind of orangey color to it. Some of them look a little bit more yellowish or dull looking, and those generally aren't as good a quality. And with spices, just like a lot of other things, if you're able to afford it, and in general it doesn't cost a whole lot more, it's better to get organic. But sometimes I use non-organic, especially if you can't find the organic. But I prefer to use organic. This garlic powder here I'm using right now isn't organic, but I'm just using it up because I did buy some organic, and next time likely I'll be using the organic. But the turmeric is organic, and cayenne, and just blend it up here. Now what I do, I found it, I just have an old spice jar here that I like to put it in. And I put it in like that. I find it's better at first to use and just put a bowl underneath to catch the droppings. Most of it will go in a jar. I'm going to use a funnel after that, but it gets a little clogged up sometimes in the funnel. So to avoid that happening, I just do it this way first. And it works really well. As you can see, this bright takes on a bright orangey color, takes on the color of the turmeric. And what I'm going to do here is just now take the funnel and just put the rest of it in there. And there we have it. I think you'll enjoy this if you want to give it a try. So if you give it a try and like it, please let me know. Post any comments down below. Again, this is a great spice to have on hand. So give it a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.